Good afternoon. Hello, my name is Juan Alberto Antonio Velázquez. Today I present my project, Climate Prediction in the Jocotitlán Valley using linear regression. Thank you for watching. This is the content of the presentation. In the next slide too, in the abstract, show in this project, I used machine learning to predict climate values for the year 2024. I used data from the 2022 and 2023. The model predicts temperature, humidity, pressure, rain, light, and wind speed. The results are good. Only rain has some errors. This model helps for short-term weather forecasting. In the slide 3, in introduction, weather prediction is very important. It helps agriculture, cities, and public safety. My study uses linear regression to predict climate. I use MIA and RMSE to check accuracy. The Jocotitlán Valley needs a good weather system. My system helps with real-time data and better decisions. In the next slide, in the case study location, this study takes place in Jocotitlan in the state of Mexico. The area has high altitude and cold weather. The temperature goes from 0 Celsius in winter to 23 Celsius in warm months. This affects local agriculture, and the farmers need good weather predictions. In the next slide, in the state of the art, here I show research from other authors. Most studies use machine learning to estimate. Some use regression, others use neural networks. These works help us understand better climate prediction. In the other authors is Quintana, Edran, y Casansoda, and others. In the next slide, in the methodology, my method has 5 steps. The one step is data extraction, 2-step algorithm creation, 3 step create a bigger data set, 4-step testing and evaluation, 5-step web system. This left use predict climate for 2024. In the next slide, meteorological data set, the data comes from the Tesco weather station. The platform tinger.io collects the data. We have more than 165 records. The data includes humidity, rain, wind, pressure, light, and temperature. In the next slide, show a table, the meteorological data set. Here you can see an example of the data set. These are values recorded every minute in 2022 and 2023. In the next slide, in the pre-processing, I clean the data, I remove errors and missing values, I normalize the values, I use a correlation to find the most important variables. They are humidity, pressure, and light. I use them to predict temperature. In the next slide, in the training I trained the model with 2022 at 2023 data. The model tries to reduce the error. The red line is the linear regression. The closer the blue points are the line, the better the model. In the graph showing the linear regression of pressure and temperature. In the next slide in classification, I showing the after prediction temperature. I predict other variables. I create a daily data set for 2024. I also add a simple weather category, sunny, rainy, or cloudy. This helps make the results easier to understand. In the next slide, in new dataset, um, I show the next a new table from I create a new dataset with one row per day in 2024. It has 366 days. I remove hours, minutes, and seconds. In the next slide, I show tests and results. I test the model with MIE and MACE. These metrics tell us how close prediction are the real data. The results are very good. In the next slide, I show the next graphs. Here you can see the relation between prediction and real temperature and humidity. The model is accurate. In the next slide, I show the graph. Here, I compare predict humidity with real humidity in May 2024. The model follows the real values closely. Next, in the next slide, that I show the dashboard. I create a web dashboard. It shows temperature, pressure, humidity, rain, and wind. It uses daily predictions for 2024. The calendar form makes it easy to read. In the next slide, I show the dashboard. This is the daily index. It shows temperature, wind speed, humidity, and more data for each day. In the conclusions, linear regression works very well for climate prediction. The results for 2024 are accurate. The dashboard helps people make better decisions. In the future, I want to use more complex models like neural networks to improve predictions. In the next slide, here are the scientific resources used in the project. They include research about weather, machine learning, and regression models. Thank you for this presentation.